Hi friends, Teacher Cheryl here with Play to Learn Pierce County, a program powered by Green Check and brought to you through the generosity of our sponsors and our partners. Today we're going to listen to a story about a farm and about a cow, and we're also going to do an activity that goes with cows. So when you think about a cow, what do you think about? I think about milk and cheese and butter, and so we're going to do an activity that's kind of a cooking activity that goes along with that after we've read this story. This story is called The Cow Who Clucked, and it is by Denise Fleming. And so there's a mystery in this story. So look, here are the cow and the pig, and they're having a little sleep in the barn, and the cow is having a dream. Look what she's dreaming of. She's dreaming of 1, 2, 3 little chickens. So she's having a nice dream about that. And then it's time to wake up, and the rooster says, can you tell me what the rooster says, or say it with me? So the noise the rooster makes is, or in words it's, cock-a-doodle-doo. And all throughout there's going to be some animal noises that I'm going to ask that we do together. So one morning, Cow woke up to find she had lost her moo. The first thing I must do, said Cow, is find my moo. And what she's saying instead of moo is cluck. Oh! And look, when she says cluck, all of a sudden 1, 2, 3 baby chicks hear her and say, oh, are you our mom? And they are really interested in her. So off she went to find her moo. Cow met dog. All right, so think about what noise a dog makes. Cluck, cluck, said Cow. Say what the dog says with me. Ruff, ruff, said dog. It is not you who has my moo, said Cow. And off she went with the 1, 2, 3 little chicks following her. Cow stopped to nibble grass. Ooh, who did she meet now? This bee here. Think about what a bee says. Cluck, cluck, said Cow. Bzz, bzz, said bee. It is not you who has my moo, said Cow. And off she went. And she still has her 3 little baby chicken friends. Cow passed by cat. Cluck, cluck, said Cow. What did the cat say? Meow, meow, said cat. It is not you who has my moo, said Cow, and off she went. Cow cooled her feet in the creek. Ooh, look who she met this time. Cluck, cluck, said Cow. Glub, glub, said fish. It is not you who has my moo, said Cow, and on she went. Cow spotted duck. Cluck, cluck, said Cow. What did the duck say? Quack, quack, said duck. It is not you who has my moo, said Cow, and on she went. And there's still 1, 2, 3 little chicks, and they are visiting with 1, 2 little ducklings. Cow crossed the meadow. Oh, look who's here. Look at his funny face. Cluck, cluck, said Cow. Meh, meh, said Goat. It is not you who has my moo, said Cow, and on she went. Oh, look who's next? Are you ready to say this noise? Can you see? There we go. Cluck, cluck, said Cow. Mouse darted past Cow. Squeak, squeak, said Mouse. It is not you who has my moo, said Cow, and on she went. Oh, look who she meets now. You ready to make this noise? Cow stepped around Snake. Cluck, cluck, said Cow. Said Snake. It is not you who has my moo, said Cow, and on she went. Where do you see the three little chicks? They are getting a ride between her ears, huh? Cow rested under a tree. Oh, I found a squirrel. Cluck, cluck, said Cow. Chee, chee, said Squirrel. Can you make that noise with me? Chee, chee, said Squirrel. It is not you who has my moo, said Cow, and on she went. Cow spied owl. You ready to make an owl noise with me? Cluck, cluck, said Cow. Whoo, whoo, said Owl. It is not you who has my moo, sighed Cow. Oh, and the owl came out, so what time of day is it when the owl comes out? I don't know. Is she ever going to find her moo? And she headed for the barn with the 1, 2, 3 little chicks following her. And you can tell that she spent all day looking for her moo, because look at the colors in the sky and where the sun is. All day. Cow shuffled past Hen. Cluck, cluck, said Cow. Moo, moo, said Hen. Whoa. Hen, cried Cow. It is you who has my moo. Look how surprised they both look. And the 3 little chicks look surprised too. Cluck, says Hen. Moo, says Cow. Peep, 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 say the 3 little chicks. And they all go out under the night sky to sing their animal songs. Thank you, friends, for listening to this story today. Now I'm going to teach you how to make butter. So you will take some whipped cream and put it about halfway full in a jar, and then just shake, 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 shake. So you might want to do a dance, and as a partnership with your family members, everybody gets a chance to shake. You might want to count as high as you can while you're shaking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, and still it's not butter. Maybe you want to sing a song while you're making your butter. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O, with a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there. Here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a chicken, E-I-E-I-O, with a cluck, cluck here and a cluck, cluck there. Here a cluck, there a cluck, everywhere a cluck, cluck. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And grown-ups, if you want to try making butter together, maybe you want to kind of pre-shake it. The internet say it takes 6 to 8 minutes of shaking. So that's a good long dance or a good long song of passing back and forth. But this is really good exercise and good concentration. You can dance or count or sing. I can feel that it's getting solid in there. So I'm going to take a peek at it and see what we've got. Oh my goodness, look at that. It is not cream anymore. It is not quite as solid as butter. It's kind of like whipped cream. So if you added sugar to it, it would be whipped cream at this point. So I'm just going to shake it a little bit harder. See if I can get it a little more solid. And then I also brought a knife and some bread, because I like to eat butter on my bread. And this is just a fun activity that you can do together to change something like whipped cream into butter, which is how it's made. And you don't need a fancy butter churn or anything like that. Maybe you want to put a little salt in your butter, but I'm going to go ahead and take out my butter and spread it on my bread and take a bite. Thank you, friends, for listening to this story and for trying this activity. And I hope that you had fun. Bye.